Rise and shine, big back. So today I'm making a chicken bacon ranch slider, y'all. This turned out bomb. Here are your ingredients. So just start off by seasoning up your chicken thighs and use whatever seasonings that you like. Then you want to bake it on 400 for 45 minutes uncovered. Chop it up just like this. Next, you want to cook your bacon. Cook it as crispy as you like or however you want. After it, you want to get your King's Hawaiian rolls, chop them in half, add your cheese, chicken, green onions, drizzle a ranch on it, add your bacon on top, put the top bun on it, spray some butter on it, put a little parsley, put it in the oven. I put a aluminum pan on top of mine to keep it all soft, just like that.
This is your sign to make snow globe cookies. They're so cute for the holidays and simple to make. Start with Oreos and dip them in candy melts. Place on parchment paper. Add icing decorations next. I found these cute reindeers and Santas. Now sprinkle with sanding sugar for a snowy effect. Once dry, attach a Reese's peanut butter cup with the candy melts. I'm telling you.